Hello everyone, this is Jackie Wildstar doing another episode, I guess, of Kawaii on a Budget. I wanted to share one of my really awesome, super helpful hacks, I guess. I'm not really a fan of that term being used that way, but whatever. For keeping some of my more expensive and heavily used items nice, like bags, purses, really bags of any kind, like bathroom ones too, like the little ones, depending on what material they're made out of, and all of my boots, most of my shoes, and pretty much anything that kind of is in that area of things that are heavy usage. I already started and I was like, oh my god, video, because I don't think enough people really know about the wonders of waterproofing your items can do. This little Kiwi Camp Dry bottle, it's a spray bottle, like spray paint, is wonderful to keep things nice, undamaged longer, easier to clean because you can just kind of wipe it off. Sorry, I live on Market Street in San Francisco. It's a busy street. I am lucky to be here. Very lucky, trust me, because when I say I'm on a budget, I am not effing joking. Okay, so right here, sorry, this is a little ox. These are the boots that I recently got. They are Doc Martens. They are they're kind of in a shadow right now, so you don't get to see really how beautiful they are. I also already sprayed this side. But they're a beautiful, luminous, glowing lavender type color, and they come with both silver and I believe it was some kind of blue lace too. But I really like the silver ones, and I also have some sparkly kind of teal ones that I might switch out later. I used to do mismatching laces in addition to my socks, but I don't know. Anyway, so this is a perfect example of something that I would waterproof. And since I did that side already, I'm going to flip these guys around. And there we have, I'm sorry, it always, Kawaii on a budget means no real camera other than my cell phone. So, yeah. Okay, I'm going to stay right there. I'm not really going to be able to see, but I'm going to do a quick little spray job. So for this, you can either do like a thick coat and let it dry. And when you do a thick coat, you're usually going to need to let it dry for a good 48 hours, sometimes even longer. Or you can do several light coats. I don't know the next time I'm going to be able to do another coat on this, because I'm not sure what the weather's like. It did seem like it was going to be rainy today, but it didn't actually rain. But, you know, it's San Francisco. It rains a lot, and rainy season is coming. So I'll do an example of what I would consider a light coat right there. That's a light coat. Okay, that's like a quick, yeah, I kind of got everything, but very lightly and quickly. I'll do the same over here on this one. Okay, so I would consider that a light coat, and yes, you can see it right now, especially on some of the shinier areas. But just know that'll kind of go away relatively quickly with a light coat. And since I'm kind of doing a little bit of a thicker coat, I'm going to go over the first one again. I'm going to kind of get inside there, and I'm going to make sure I get the tongue and the laces, because it also helps protect the lace from getting dirty. And I'm just kind of doing a sweep over and making sure I got it. And that's what I did to the other side. I mean, it's really not that hard. Pick it up. So you see, you know, and you don't always want it quite this heavy on, say, like your bags or what have you. But this is like a hardy, is this real leather? I thought they were fake leather, but inside they do kind of feel like real soft leather. So I actually have to double check that. I'm not vegan, but I do usually like to know what the F I'm wearing. I rarely buy new leather. If I buy new leather, it's going to be boots or horse equipment, because those are the only things I think that are worth contributing to byproducts of that industry. But that is my personal opinion, and you know, we all got to do what we got to do. So, you know, this is really just meant to be helpful for folks. But yeah, like I said, bags of any kind, whether it's going to be a backpack, a purse, a messenger bag, or even like a little bathroom bag or something I would like organize things in my purse, or travel items. Anything that could possibly get wet, I spray. And the lifespan of that item increases quite a bit. You know, other than things that you can't control with weatherproofing spray, like zippers breaking and that kind of thing. But yeah, again, it makes them super easy to clean, and it's just a good idea. And I mean, I still have the same purse that I've been wearing almost every day. It's clean, it's in good condition. I got it earlier this year, definitely in the spring. And I mean, I literally use it every day, and it's still in great condition. So I really recommend this. I have passed this trick on to a couple of other friends, and they have also found it very helpful. So there you go. Kiwi Camp Dry. I get mine on Amazon. It's cheaper. You know, they sell it in individual cans. You can also get it in like 2 or 3 packs. You can also find this at Target or stores like that. It's a very well-known brand for shoe care. But again, you can use this on other items, and it's very specifically the Camp Dry heavy-duty water repellent. That's what I use. They have a couple of other versions that are specific to other things, but that's the good one. That's the one I recommend for literally almost all surfaces. I even used it on my glitter docks that I got last year, almost 2 years ago now, and they're still doing okay. They're starting to do a little bit of cracking where my boots always crack because I have long toes and feet, and so kind of this area of the boot, like you can see I've worn it one day and it's already like kind of getting wrinkly there. That's where my boots always end up cracking over time. And that's the only thing going on with them, and like other than that, the glitter looks great. So yeah, you can really use it on a lot of different products. So without further ado, Kawaii on a budget. It can be done. So go ahead and make your dreams come true. Bye, everyone.